Hello everyone, this is Shubhadeep again from 7 Boats Academy. I'm a trainer at 7 Boats. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Google to get rid of spammy backlink from your site. Say for example, your site has got some backlink from sites which are not trustworthy, like gambling site, criminal sites which will harm your SEO. Like a person can give you backlink from a illegal site to to lower your site on page SEO score or something like that. So if you find that you are getting some link from unknown site where you didn't make the backlink, you can use a tool called Google Disavow to get rid of this backlink. So let's see how this is done. So this is the tool. This is called Disavow links to your site. So to find this tool, just search this Disavow on Google. So once you do this, click on the first link, Disavow links to your site. So once you do this, you open this right here, go to the Disavow link tool page. So once you do that, you will select the property from where you want to get rid of this backlink. So the properties which are linked to your Google Search Console, verified property, only those properties will be shown here. So this is my website. So here I can upload the disavow list. So I can upload the disavow list as a text file. So so what will be the format of that? So the format is like this. Google has told you the format. So here you can see you can make a text file, like copy this and come to your website, come to your desktop, create a new text document and paste the code right here. And here you can add all the spammy links. So say for example, you come to Google Search Console and from the links tab you are saying that you are getting a backlink from this site and you don't know what is this site and what exactly this backlink. You never created a backlink on this site. So you open the site and you can just copy the URL from here and paste it right here like this. So on domain to disavow. So once you add this domain to this text file and save it right here, and when you come back to your disavow here and upload the disavow list from here, find that text file right like this. And once you do this, you can just, it is done already. There are 3 URLs which has been disavowed. So this is how you can get rid of spammy backlinks from your site. So once you do this, Google will ignore all this spammy backlink. This is very important because if Google sees that you are getting backlink from illegal site, it will start lowering your ranking, because Google will also think that your site is also illegal. So definitely keep a track of your backlink profile, and whenever you see any spammy backlink, use this tool Disavow and create a text file like this. Add all the domains which you want to add as a disavow, or you can add the individual URLs here and upload it to Google. So that's it. So I hope you like this video. Do comment if you like this tutorial, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more some tutorials like this. Thank you everyone.